into the race vlog. It's a bit different to what it was meant to be. I signed off my last vlog saying I was doing a 2-day race meeting with Newton the Willows at Warmingham Lane, and yeah, it turns out they're not running anymore because they didn't have the numbers. So I've now decided to book on to a 1-dayer with the FXR Northern Area Championship, which is quite scary because I feel like I'm just gonna get walked all over. I feel like there's a lot of fast riders in that group, and just chuck yourself into these things, haven't you? So, finished work. We're now gonna get loaded up, I think. Or at least get some bits in and ready to go. Dad's just faffing around with the bike in the camper, so I've come in to sort my kit bag out because it is a mess and half the stuff isn't even in it, so I'm gonna have to do a lot of sorting out, and my boots aren't in as well, and my helmet needs cleaning, and so do my goggles. Yeah, I'm not really prepared to race, are we? This is what I have to deal with all the time. You just sit, don't you? Garage is all loaded up, so now it's just to put my clothes in up on my bed. I made my bed the other day, so that's all done. Yeah, only need 1 can of fuel now because we're not doing a 2-dayer. We have so much food, so let's get it all put away. Most of it's for the barbecue that we're going to have tomorrow night, which will be really nice. But then we've got lots of like sweet treats and stuff as well. So I'm going to get it all stacked up in the fridge, and then there's a little cupboard here that wants to open. There's a little cupboard up here it's already got snacks in it. But let's stack it up. So we've got 2 different types of chicken in here. We've got barbecue and peri-peri. Yeah. Then we've got burgers.
Gherkins. Cheese.
I'm going to cook up a feast. Good morning team, it's race day. I'm still in my pyjamas but I am going to get dressed into my kit. Dad's on barbecue duty and the bike is out and ready and the kids look like they're guarding it. Just gonna make up my electrolytes so I can put it in the fridge and then this bottle can get cold. Take my vitamins and then Dad's on with bacon butty so we're gonna have them this morning. My practice is at 9:30, so I've still got about an hour. So I'm just going to take my time getting ready and make sure I'm stretching as well because I'm still a bit sore from the other day when I rode and I didn't actually stretch at all that day. I just jumped on the bike and went for it. I'm going to snap one of these into here and then to make the flavour a bit stronger I put some cordial in it as well. It makes it really nice. I'm also going to try this app today, which is a chest mount. So I didn't want to wear my chin mount because it's far too heavy. And I've got the wide lens on the GoPro, so that should hopefully help see a bit more. Let's get ready. it's a couple of weeks after my race weekend and I've finally fully recovered from my crashes on the last race. It was pretty tough, I'm not gonna lie, and I did get very overwhelmed after the crashes. I just came in with like tears in my eyes and I just wanted to collapse on the floor and just take a deep breath and think, I've done it, and at least it wasn't amounting to anything. Like, I'm not in the championship, so it wasn't such of a big deal. After my last race, all my family were around with me and we just got the camper packed up and got ready to go. Drove straight home and ordered pizzas. Sam came round, so we all had pizzas for tea, and it was actually a really nice evening. I had a nice long lie-in the next day and just started recovering really. I had cuts all around my nose and a bit of a puffed up eye from where my goggles had impacted me. My coccyx is really sore. It's still quite sore now, but that takes a long time to heal. Just general aches and pains, but I've been back into the gym since. I'm trying to get myself back onto a new routine, and I was out on my bike the other day, so yeah, it was a tough one. That's why I just never recorded anything after that race. I just cut ties with it all and packed up and went home. The one thing that I just needed was rest, so that's what I did. So the next video will be my ride day at Docks, I think, that I did the other day. So stay tuned, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.